Hello, this is Juan Can Cook. You can too. We're going to show you how to make the hot and sour sweet chili sauce. That's what's next we're going to do. And it's very simple. It's better than buying the bottle at the grocery store for over $8 for a small bottle. So you can make about a gallon, almost a half a gallon to a gallon, depending on how much you want to make. Okay? Thank you. Okay, here we go on the right here. We've got 2 cups of water. We're going to have 2 cups of white vinegar, half a bag of the jalapeno chili, red chili peppers, the can of pineapple, and half of the bottle of the ketchup there. Ketchup already has a preservative inside there that will keep everything fresh when you keep it in the refrigerator. And of course, a cup of sugar. All that we put together, and we're going to be blending it together. And make sure you blend it really good because you have the pineapple in there too. Here we go again. We're going to be turning on the power here. We're going to do the blending of all the everything ingredients together. As you can see right there, it's look exactly the same thing as the ones you buy at the store, the bottle in the store. Okay, now I'm going to get the starch ready. We're going to put about 2 ounces of water in the mixture here. Put it in the pot, and we're going to heat this up. We're going to get the spiciness from the chili pepper out by heating it up. Okay, we're going to add the cornstarch here and let it boil, and then we're going to let it cool down. Here's a bottle that I used. I'm reusing it, putting it in our sauce in there, and then of course I'm going to refrigerate it after I fill up all the bottles. And then whenever you need it, just pull it out, pour it over your sweet and sour spicy chicken, fish, or anything you want sweet and sour, spicy, whatever you want to do with it.